Dear students, yesterday I am discussing about electric current under electricity chapter. Electric current means rate of current. That means 1 ampere. 1 ampere, that means 1 coulomb of charges passes through a unit of particular area by 1 second. So it's also called as A is equal to C inverse of S. That means 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. That means charges are moving through a conductor. 1 coulomb of charges moving through a conductor. See, dear students, I have a copper wire. Through this copper wire, charges can move. Charges don't move itself. It needs some amount of energy to move from one place to another. ಯಾವುದೇ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ಗಳು ತನ್ನ ತಾನೇ ಅವುಗಳು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್? ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? In order to understand this concept, we conduct a simple activity. Let us see. Okay? Observe the activity. Here is a two bottles named as A and B. These two bottles are connected to hollow glass tube through which water move with different level of water taken on both the bottle. At that time, water not move from one bottle to another. Dear students, when I remove the cap of both the bottle, see, observe, the water from the higher level bottle A is gradually moves through these glass tubes and reaches the water from the lower level bottle B. My question is simple. How long water is moves through this glass rod? Water is moved, answer is simple, water is moved through this glass rod till the level of the water reaches same height. Suppose if you want the flow of water in this glass tube continue, what we have to do? We have to recharge the water of the bottle anyone. Suppose now I recharge the bottle A. Once again, the water is moved from A to B. That means water is moved from higher level to lower level until it reaches the level same height. Similarly, yes, dear students, all of you observing the simple activity. By observing this activity, I think you must know water can flow from higher level to lower level. That means water can flow from higher potential energy to lower potential energy. Similarly, the charges are moving through the conductor. See, this copper wire conductor through this conductor only when we connect the two terminals or two end of the wire is connected to external source having difference in their electrical potential. That means source. That means suppose this is the external source, a battery cell. It has two ends, positive ends and negative ends. These two ends are difference in their electrical potential. In one side, the positive charge is more. In another side, negative charge is more. If you connect this wire to the external source of like battery, then the charges can move to the conductor. Similar, to understand the potential difference, we have to know about electrical potential and potential difference. Electrical potential. Another one is the potential difference. we must know the difference between the electrical potential and potential difference. What is called electrical potential? That means, for example, a wire, AB wire, if you supply the current, it produces the electric field in the surroundings area. It produces electric field in an atom, considered as atom. It produces electric field. Suppose here is a one electric field, here is one more, here is one more. It produces electric field in an atom. It produces electric field. So this is an electric field. This is an electric field. Suppose if I bring one test positive charge, ಒಂದು ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಆವೇಶವನ್ನ test positive charge, bring from infinite field, from infinity. Before that, we imagine that there is no electrical field. That means one positive charge, if you bring from infinite to any place inside the electrical field, for example A, inside the point is A. If I bring a positive charge from infinite to particular place in the electric field, work has to be done. Work has to be done. So when you bring the positive charge from infinity to particular area in the electric field, it opposes the repulsion force. That means by opposing the repulsion force, we must take the positive charge from infinity to particular area in electric field. At that time, work has to be done is there. This is nothing but electrical potential. That means electrical potential can be defined as work done when unit positive charge move from infinite to any point in the electrical field. Work is done when unit positive charge moving from infinite to any place within the electrical field is nothing but electrical potential. Work has to be done. So if you take any positive charge, that means 1 coulomb of charges, or it may be 2 coulomb of charges, bring it from infinite to any place inside the electrical field, then we call it as electrical potential. Now let us study about potential difference. Now potential difference is difference in their electrical potential between the two end of the circuit. If you connect the battery, the two end of the circuit is there. The difference in their electrical potential is called potential difference. How can you explain? I am discussing. See, this is the electrical field. If you bring one test positive charge from infinity to inside the electrical field, this is nothing but electrical potential. What is to be done is that this is electrical potential. Suppose if you bring a unit charge from one place to another within the field, within the electrical field, intensity of the electrical potential is different. In one place, the intensity of electrical potential is different from the other place. It is variable. Suppose if you bring the one unit positive charge from one place within the electrical field to another place, we must need energy. If you bring it, work is to be done. So if you bring one unit charge, I come to the point 1 coulomb. Okay, yes, 1 coulomb of charges bring from one place to another opposite to the repulsion action, at that time work is to be done. Work is to be done. That is called work. Work is to be done by taking 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb of charge or coulomb of charge. At that time, the difference in between these 2 points is called 1 volt. 1 volt. So this is called volt. Volt is equal to work done by how much charge is to be bring. That is called W by C. So actually work is expressed in joule. Unit is joule or joule and C. So V is equal to, now I got volt is equal to joule per coulomb. It can be expressed as volt is equal to joule per coulomb. So 1 volt can be defined as 1 volt. 1 volt is nothing but if you bring 1 coulomb of charges, bring from one place to another, if 1 joule work is to be done, 1 joule ಕೆಲಸ ಆದರೆ. Now the difference between these two areas in the electrical field is there, now is called 1 volt. So potential difference is volt. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. How can you express 2 volt? 2 volt means when 1 coulomb of charges bring from somewhere in the electrical potential area, at that time work done is, if it is 2 joule or 2 joule, then we will call it as 2 volt. Okay, and volt can be measured. One of the instruments called voltmeter. Volt can be measured. One of the instruments called voltmeter, not voltameter. So this was the concept we have studied in electricity. What is called electrical potential difference, and coulomb, charges. So all these points we have studied in this basic electricity. Let us study further.